This is the harvest today for the salsa and whatever, and cucumbers, don't go in the salsa, onions, beautiful yellow tomatoes, most of these reds here are of the Abe Lincoln variety. Most of these reds here are of the Roma variety. More onions. The beets got picked about a week ago. We see jalapeno peppers. We see kung pao peppers. All of these are delightful banana peppers. There's some green peppers, and there's some mini bells that are actually kind of a chocolate brown. I think they're supposed to be red, but they've come out reddish brown or brownish red. A couple of carrots, just make it look nice. In the middle, of course, we have a big stack of cherry tomatoes. And the main reason I'm taking this video is so you can see just how deep those tomatoes are. There's about 4 inches, 3-4 inches deep there, 5 inches deep, I don't know. This is a yellow jelly bean. These are called red currant. And that's about it. The cucumbers got to be too big, but they'll probably be okay. But this is how Jan actually likes them, a little smaller. Same plant, just a couple days you miss them and they get huge. Well, can I take a picture? Can you say hi real quick? Say Happy Salsa Day. And you're backlit here, hang on. There we go. Happy Salsa Day.
I have my work cut out for me. I've already canned 24 jars of salsa, and I'm going to do a bunch more. We have probably at least 300 little tiny cherry tomatoes. These are my absolute favorite. They're called jelly beans.
Yellow jelly bean. And the yellow jelly beans are available from a company called Botanical Interests.
Nummy.
And they come in a package of red and yellow. And the red seeds are dyed red for red jelly beans. And I didn't get any red jelly beans I don't know. I don't know where they are. They just didn't turn out. Anyway, that is today's harvest. It is September. Is today September 5th? Yes?
Yes.
It's also my dad's birthday, granddad's birthday. So there you go. All right. Bye.